One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
Okay.
We have another rideshare company that we're going to be talking about. You know, they're starting to come, so that's good. So hopefully we can get a couple of big ones.
Yes, sir. Last week I talked about a company called Y-Ride. They are in the Bay Area, San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose, Sacramento. So, Chris, their server crashed.
Oh, Y-Ride?
Y-Ride. Yeah, they got so many.
Wait. Was it because of us?
Yes.
After the show?
Yeah. No,
that's
not after the show. Not after the show. We put the video out, the segment, like 2 days ago, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 11,000 views. They go, as soon as the video came out, we weren't expecting the video to come out. They go like, it crashed. We just couldn't handle it.
Whoopsie.
Oopsie. So I had a meeting with them yesterday, Zoom call. I go, what did you guys think was going to happen? They were like, well, we didn't know. I go like, well, yeah, dumb shits, figure it out. Anyway, so no dumb shits. They're two smart guys starting a company in Uber and Lyft's backyard. We're coming to compete, Uber and Lyft. You know what I mean? It's all right. I mean, they had their problems. They fixed it. So it's called Y-Ride. So now there is a Canadian company. Okay. By the way, Lyft earnings were good because they're really exploding in Canada, Chris. So this company is absolutely identical to what Y-Ride is doing. In fact, I called them up. I go, what is this? They're cloning you. Although this company came before, and the name of the company is HOVR, H-O-V-R. Okay. And, it's a startup. I wish them the best. And they have their business model, completely different business model. No algorithm, no hocus pocus, no take rate, no charging 60, paying 20. None of that stuff. Okay. Subscription-based formula. You have to be a businessman, of your own. You can go poach all kinds of Uber and Lyft customers to take it to Y-Ride yourself, because you're getting paid 100% of the fare. And it includes period 1, 2, and 3 commercial insurance, just like Uber's and Lyft's. This is Y-Ride. This is the same thing. They have, the same idea. Driver gets everything. Miles and minutes. No hocus pocus up front. Blah, 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 blah. All that. No quests. Fair pay for a fair day. Same thing here with HOVR. Congrats, HOVR. Go get Lyft up there. And then, the headline is very appropriate. Ride hailing ripe for disruption. Yeah, because if you guys keep doing all this hocus pocus bullshit with the drivers, they signed, Y-Ride signed up like 650 drivers in 2 days.
Nice.
Just in San Francisco. They go like,
I can say that we helped with that one.
I think so. Yeah, we're gonna get paid on that one. So anyway, but so this guy started the company.
HOVR, get ready. So all of our Canadian drivers.
Yeah, you know what? Great idea. I will invite this guy. What's his name? Amit. Oh my God, this guy's name is the same name as the. Oh wow, what a coincidence! Same name as the Y-Ride CEO. Harrison Amit. Oh, that's his last name. Okay. Is leading a small startup with a big idea. The vision for the company is helping over 10 million drivers, right? Said the 28-year-old CEO of HOVR. Okay. The Toronto-based ride-hailing company launches today and will service the city and surrounding suburbs. Amit's goal is to make the company a national brand within a year and go way beyond that. Sir, Harrison, cordially invited to show me the money, talk about HOVR. The other thing is, I hope you have some deep pockets, because it's going to take deep pockets to do this. The question is whether this young entrepreneur can compete with the global giant Uber, which has 15-year head start. Head starts are not concerned to me, because all we have to do as a startup or a new company, don't do what they do. Okay.
I mean, think of it. Hold on. Think of it this way. The taxi cab industry had 100 years on Uber.
Yeah, and Uber absolutely annihilated
Uber destroyed them.
Yeah.
And they're right. I mean, I've said this how many times on the show already that they're ripe for disruption at this
Okay.
point
So
because
to
you're putting out
HOVR,
a shit product.
yep, to HOVR CEO, free advice here. I'm sure you'll get a hold of this video at some point. Here's the deal. Don't do what they do bad, but do what they do good better. That's all you have
Yes.
to do. That's all you have to do. Because it's an amazing platform these Uber and Lyft have created. We have to give them credit for that, right? However, they do so much shady shit. If you just don't do that, you'll have a successful company. That's all you have to do. Just don't do what they do. And then, yeah, good luck to
So,
HOVR. We'll actually get in touch with you, Harris and Amit, and then we'll invite you to
in
the show.
other words, don't if you're watching the standalone video, go back to the live stream and go back a little bit from this segment where I was showing the square wheels that Uber and Lyft have decided to make the cars run on square wheels instead of regular wheels. They're trying to reinvent the wheel. So yes, this is something. And also, he's not that far away. I mean, Toronto's literally right up the corner for me, and I'm in Buffalo. So
I,
if you need something, shoot email.
I wish him the best. I wish him the best and HOVR the best. The market's big enough, man. You know, we don't need to steal too much from them, right? All we have to do is get like 1-2%. We're a $500 million company. I mean, you know, that's all there is to it. And it's time. It's time that somebody does this the right way. And I'm behind Why Ride, and I will get in touch with HOVR for our Canadian audience. Look, I'm not going to say something about a company, you know, that I don't support, that I'm kind of guiding correctly, because I know what Uber and Lyft does wrong, and I'm just going to make sure that they don't. Simple. Anyway, so good luck to HOVR, and that's it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.